Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Gerni 3300 high pressure washer. First we're going to unbox it, then we've got our warranty and instructions, our handle with hose hook, foam sprayer, 6 meter hose, G2 lance, water inlet coupling, variable spray nozzle, compact jet nozzle, wheels, wheel clips, G1 spray handle, and our high pressure washer. And there it is, the Gerni 3300 1810 PSI high pressure washer assembled. Now I hope you liked the video, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in another video.